She never expected to see him again, not like this. Not after everything that was hidden, everything that was never said. But sometimes, the past doesn't stay buried. Sometimes, it walks right back into your life when you least expect it and changes everything in a single breath. Brianna is about to face a truth she has avoided for years. And William, the man who has spent his whole life searching for who he really is finally standing at the edge of that truth. What happens when two broken paths finally collide? What happens when family is not what you believed it to be? Brianna had learned how to live with silence. The kind of silence that sits deep in your chest and never really leaves. Life in her world looked calm on the surface, but beneath it, something always felt unfinished. There were questions she stopped asking, names she stopped saying out loud, and memories she tried to lock away. But lately, that silence had started to crack. It began with small things. A letter that arrived with no clear sender. A name mentioned in passing that made her freeze for just a second too long. And a feeling she couldn't explain, like someone was standing just outside her life, watching, waiting. She tried to ignore it at first. She told herself it was just imagination, just stress, just the weight of everything she had already survived. But deep down, she knew better. The past never really disappears. It only changes shape. Far away from her, William was living a completely different kind of silence. His silence was not calm. It was restless, angry, confusing. He had everything a man could want on the outside, but nothing inside ever felt complete. There was always a missing piece he could not name. And that missing piece had a face he had never truly seen, but always felt connected to. His journey began when he found something that did not belong in his world. A piece of writing, a name tied to Scotland, and a connection to a story that no one wanted to explain to him fully. Every answer he got only led to more questions. And every question led him closer to Brianna, without either of them knowing it yet. The closer Brianna came to the truth, the more dangerous everything became. People around her started acting differently. Conversations stopped when she entered the room. Old friends suddenly became careful with their words. It was as if something unspoken had been awakened, and no one wanted to be the one to explain it. Then came the message that changed everything. It was short. Too short. Just a location, and a name she had not heard in years connected to Jamie Fraser's past. The moment she read it, her hands went cold. Because this was not just history anymore. This was something alive. Something moving toward her. She should have walked away. She should have ignored it. But Brianna had never been able to run from the truth, no matter how painful it was. So she followed it. At the same time, William's search brought him to Scotland. The land felt strange to him, like a place he should recognize, but didn't. Every street, every name, every shadow felt like part of a story he had been denied. And then he heard it. Brianna's name. Not directly. Not clearly. But enough to make him stop breathing for a moment. Because something inside him reacted to it like it had been waiting his entire life for that sound. Neither of them knew it yet, but the same truth was pulling them toward the same point in time, like two storms about to crash into each other. The meeting did not happen the way either of them imagined. There was no perfect moment. No emotional preparation. Only chaos. Brianna arrived first, standing in a place that felt heavy with memory. The air itself seemed different, like it knew something she didn't. Her heart told her to leave, but her feet refused to move. Then she saw him. William. He was standing there like a stranger who somehow felt familiar. His eyes carried confusion, anger, and something deeper, something almost painful. For a moment, neither of them spoke. The world around them seemed to disappear, leaving only the sound of their breathing. Brianna felt it immediately. Not recognition of his face, but recognition of something deeper. Something connected to Jamie. Something tied to blood and truth and everything that had been hidden from her. William spoke first, but his voice was unsteady. He did not know why he was there. He did not know what he expected. But when he said her name, it felt like the ground shifted under both of them. And then came the truth that neither was ready for. Not all at once. Not cleanly. But in fragments. In broken words. In emotional pauses that hurt more than silence. Brianna realized that William was not just a stranger. He was connected to her family in a way that could not be ignored. And William realized that everything he thought he knew about himself was only part of a much larger story. The tension broke into emotion. Anger, confusion, sadness, and something close to relief all collided at once. It was not a reunion. It was an emotional collapse of everything they believed was true. After the truth began to surface, nothing felt stable anymore. Brianna struggled with what this meant for her father's past, for her identity, for the life she had built. William struggled even more, because finding Brianna did not give him answers. It gave him more questions than ever before. But in the middle of all that confusion, something unexpected happened. Understanding. Not complete. Not perfect. But real. They began to see each other not as strangers, not as threats, but as two people trapped in the same complicated story. A story written long before they were born, shaped by decisions they never made. The emotional weight of it all was overwhelming. There were moments of anger, moments of silence, and moments where neither of them knew what to say. But slowly, something began to change. The hostility softened. The confusion turned into reflection. And in the quiet spaces between their words, something like connection began to form. But the world around them was not ready to let them exist in peace. The past was still unfinished. And the truth they uncovered was only the beginning of something much larger. As they stood there, facing each other, both Brianna and William understood one thing clearly. This was not the end of their story. It was the beginning of a truth that would reshape everything they believed about family, loyalty, and identity. Some reunions heal. Others break you open before they even begin to heal anything. Brianna and William's meeting was not a moment of closure, it was a moment of awakening. And once the truth is seen, it can never be unseen. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more emotional journeys like this. Because sometimes, the deepest stories are not about where we come from, but about what we are willing to face when the past finally finds us again.